Oh dear. Please tell me this isn't for us. Please.
National Weather Service in Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Talbot County in eastern Maryland, southwestern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland until 7:15 p.m.
This isn't for us. This is Mount Holly.
Island, or 7 miles east of Chesapeake Beach, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Easton, Talbot, Trapp, St. Michael's, Oxford, Grassenville, Skipton, Copperville, Matthews, Choptank, White Mills, Camdenton, Windy Hill, Cordova, and Queenstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Make up the emergency
In
alert
addition to
system
large
like
hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
Would it be a double header? Double header? Nope.
Now for the